Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this is special actually video for you. This unit is Hitachi brand, model wise 950F, 18 liter drum type vacuum cleaner. You can see here the model, 2100 watts power. This one. Actually, it is brand wise very nice brand. And this customer actually brought to the workshop for the repair. He is telling he already informed to us this something problem with the motor because it's not shocking properly. Because of that, he brought to the workshop. Now, while I'm checking, actually I will show you. I will give the power connection. Now I have already given power. Also I am starting unit. This one is shocking performance actually bad. That's why he brought to the workshop. The motor, everything it is perfect. But I will show you the problem. This area is getting too much heat. You can see here. It is actually too much heat. That means within few minutes, few seconds, motor getting warm and heat through the thermistor. Because of the heat through the thermistor, motor getting cut off. That means motor not starting. This is the problem actually. This is the complaint. I will show you what happened to this unit. Now I will take the motor head to out. After that I can show you the special thing. Yes, you can see here this motor too much getting heat. This is the model Hitachi. It is CV950F, 24 CBS, 220 240 watt, 50 hertz, 1500 up to 2100 watts. Made in Thailand. It's very nice actually. Now you can see here. See, this is the problem idea. This customer actually never cleaned this one. I think he continuously used, I think more than 2-3 years it is as same without cleaning filter. This why this is the problem actually. You can see, you can understand what I'm going to say. This unit actually, motor performance, everything's are perfect. The thing is, it's not shocking properly because the filter already got blocked. Also inside the drum, having lot of dirt. Because of that, motor not shocking properly. Because of that, motor getting heat too much. At the same time, motor cut off in through the thermistor. This is the reason this machine not working continuously. Now you can what I'm saying, kindly at your home, if you are using vacuum cleaner, especially you have to clean filter every day. After using every day, you have to clean the filter. Now see this customer how is used that one. It is very badly actually blocked. I don't have any words to say. That much it is totally blocked. How is motor working actually? Customer is lucky motor not burning. But the thing is here more than 5-6 kilo dirt inside. I don't know what kind of things are there. Anyway, we will throw out first. After that, I will show you. After cleaning, we will start the machine again. Also, sucking performance and motor not warming. No way to warm the motor. Now we will clean first. After that, we will see. Now I'm going to clean this one. First, we will throw out all the dirt from the drum. You can see it here. It's that much actually. I don't know how he is used. I think this customer actually doesn't have any idea about the vacuum cleaner, how to use. This is the main issue. Now I'm going to throw all the dirt from the drum. You can see how it's getting clean. I don't know. This much dirt actually. Now see inside the drum. Still having too much. Now you can see, dear friends, it is already cleaned the drum, also filter. Now we can check this is clear filter. You saw before how is the condition. Now we can check with the motor. It is sucking performance, how is sucking. I think it is 100% sure it will be okay. Now I will give the power connection also. Now you can see here. Now you can see it is very good performance. See. Now it's okay, it is good sucking. Now you saw actually at your home, again I'm telling, if you are using any this vacuum cleaner, this type of vacuum cleaner, you have to clean every day, daily, basically daily you have to clean the filters. Internally you have to clean the drum, everything. After that performance will be okay. Now because of the bad performance, that's mean not sucking properly. Because of that it's already got blocked. While blocking filter and drum at the same time, motor getting too much heat through the thermistor is getting cut off power. At the same time motor not working until getting cool. That's why customer brought to the workshop. Now I explained to you how to use the vacuum cleaner. Now my job completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.